In order to download machine information from LN to shop floor, we need first of all to set up the machine defaults in the data synchronization. We need to set up a default resource group or work center and a default schedule. This is so that machine time can be calculated using a working time schedule. Having done that, we then need to go to LN and publish the manufacturing master data. We say we want to publish a sync and constrain resources. So we do that, hit process, and this generates the BODs for all the machines that are in there, which is 45. Okay, if I now close that, go back into Factory Track, then if we look in the replication document inbox and look for today, then we should see a number of BODs that have been published to Factory Track, one for each of the machines. So if we look here, we've got a machine called feed. Okay. If we next go to data synchronization and look at data sync control, then we can see, if we click on the results, we can see the results of those. And if we pick one of these, then we can see, for instance, that this machine here is for the machine JVD, which has been assigned to resource group this. So these machines have now been posted into Factory Track and are available in the shop floor system.